So this is the chips aisle in Walmart. It is completely empty. There are very little chips left. There is no juice. Well, we just left Walmart, and as you can see, everybody's prepping for the hurricane that is about to slam North Carolina and South Carolina and parts of Georgia. And the shelves are pretty much empty.
That can be the...
And Corbin started talking, so I forgot what I was about to say. But everybody's prepping pretty hard. As you see, things are getting kind of serious here. They got the big generators rolling in. There is 3 trucks with big generators. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm on the GoPro now, and I can't really zoom in on it. So yeah, all of NC is like in shutdown mode. We're bracing pretty hard for this storm that's coming. So I'll give you guys updates as things go. Right now the weather's not too bad. It's a little bit windy and a little cloudy. Clouds are rolling in. So we're just gonna see how things go for this storm, and I will give you guys updates as we go. Now 6:37, and just a little status update from earlier. I forgot to mention that today was Thursday, and just a little update from earlier. The winds have kind of picked up a little bit. It is starting to drizzle on and off, but overall nothing too major happening yet. We're supposed to see the major action late night, early morning, probably around 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Friday morning. So we'll see what happens then, and I'll be back with more updates. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see that sign, but it said tropical storm warning in effect. So the roads are too busy right now. Stores have started closing down, and the rain's starting to come down a little bit harder. So we'll just see what happens as time goes on. Alright, so time for an update. It is now Friday morning, about 8:30, and we have rain coming in. We have some strong gusts coming in, and yeah, we're starting to get stronger gusts, starting to get more rain as Hurricane Florence moves further inward. So, gonna update. Everyone stay safe out there. Alright, so it is confirmed that a few stores are still open, and the winds have picked up, rains have picked up. I haven't seen any fallen trees or limbs yet. I haven't seen any flooded out areas or washed out roads yet. But I found an open store, so I'm gonna go in and see what kind of snack foods I can find, and we'll go from there. So here we go, braving the storm. Hurricane Florence 2018. So, I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the wind, and I probably shouldn't be outside. I just took a few minutes to go and take the trash out and give you guys an update. Right now it is actually 7:30, it's a little after 7:30. The winds are picking up so much. It's raining now, and power was out for a while, but it finally came back on. So that is where we're at now. I'm going to go ahead and get back inside because, like I said, shouldn't be outside. Alright, update time. It is now Saturday, 9:45. Looks like the most of the storm has passed. It's still raining. We're still getting light gusts. But the next neighboring county, Hurricane County, is under a mandatory evacuation. So I'm gonna go out now and see if I can help in any kind of way and help those that are trapped a little bit. So I will keep you guys updated, and I will be back. Alright, so I've come to my first road closing The tree is down and across power lines, so having to turn around now. Alright guys, so it's been 1 week since all the Hurricane Florence stuff started, and I know I haven't given you guys an update in a few days. It is now Thursday again. The storm is gone, but the aftermath is not. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done as far as disaster relief, recovery, and all that stuff. People are cleaning up. There's several thousand people that have lost their homes, and the power companies are doing their best to get the power back on. Fortunately, we only lost power for about 2 hours, so we were fortunate in that. Not a lot of damage in my area, well, for my family. I drove around a few days and checked out some of the damages, as you guys have seen. But yeah, there's a long way to go. Hopefully we don't get hit with a heavy rain, because if we do, flooding will get worse. But that is all I got for now. Until my next video, guys, everybody stay safe out there. Yeah, I don't have a whole lot to say right now. Just that pray for all the families that have lost their homes and all that stuff. Pray for the flood victims and all that good stuff. So until the next video, everybody, take care.